Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in a little bit of a different environment. We are in my bedroom because I'm going to be talking you through my bedtime routine for curly hair. I get a lot of questions about how I make my curls last between wash days, and the biggest thing for me, the biggest game changer, was learning how to protect my curls overnight. So protecting your curls overnight is absolutely vital for prolonging a wash day, and it took me a little while to figure out a routine that worked for me and my curls, that stopped them stretching out, that prevented frizz, but I've got my routine down now, so I wanted to share it with you. This video is very kindly sponsored by Lily Silk, and I've been sleeping on a Lily Silk pillowcase for a while now, and I also have been using some of their other accessories as well, like the eye mask and their scrunchies, which I'll get into a little bit more later on in the video. So you might be thinking that I have some extravagant bedtime routine for my curls that makes them last, but really my routine is pretty simple. I know that I have this whole like curly hair YouTube and Instagram, but I don't like to spend loads of time on my hair every single day. So my bedtime routine is pretty simple for my curls, and it only contains 2 steps: putting my hair up in a pineapple and sleeping on a silk pillowcase. So I'm going to talk you through both of these steps now. So in my previous sleeping with curly hair video, you will have seen me talk about a few different ways that you can pineapple your hair, and there's one specific way that I have found to pineapple my hair at night that protects my curls. So for ages I used to do one of the regular pineapple buns where you flip your hair forward and you kind of have it in a bun like that on top of your head, but I would wake up and the top layer of my hair would be stretched out, my face framing pieces that are shorter would be stretched out, and I really wanted to find something that would not make that happen. And so I finally figured out a way, and it involves some hair clips and a scrunchie or a hair bubble. So I'll usually use either a silk scrunchie like these ones from Lily Silk. They have lots of different sizes and colours as well. So you've got like the smallest one, sort of like a small medium, and some larger to medium ones. So I'll use a silk scrunchie or sort of like this kind of phone cord style hair bubble, which is very stretched out. So that is what I use for my special overnight pineapple. So let me show you how I do that. So first I flip my head forward and I take the front section of my hair, just kind of roughly, it doesn't have to be really neat, just the bits that kind of fall forward, and then any other bits that you know get stretched out. You can obviously pull more, but that's just what I'm going to take. And then I take the scrunchie, so this is the Lily Silk small one, and I just tie this into a pineapple bun. And I really don't find, for my hair, I don't find that I get any sort of kinks or marks in my hair there, and I don't find that that part of my hair gets stretched out doing this. And then I kind of separate these parts, and then I've got this bit of hair here, and I just add some clips and try not to break up the curl clumps, trying to keep them together. And I just kind of lift, you can obviously like clip it like that, but I kind of, so it's not in my hair, I grab it and kind of lift it up and clip. And the same the other side, kind of bring all the pieces together, lift it up and clip. And I know you might think that this is crazy, but it really does work. I've been tying my hair up like this for a couple of years now, I think, and it really has made such a difference to how my hair lasts into the next day. I can get about 2 to 3 days out of a wash day when I tie my hair up separately like this, and it's so quick and easy, and I do it every night. I even wear my hair like this to work out if I want to protect my hair from stretching out. It really makes such a difference. So if you've got a loose curl pattern like me, then definitely try this, especially if you're finding that the top layer of your hair is getting stretched out overnight. So step number 2 of my routine is sleeping on a silk pillowcase. So let me grab my pillowcase. So this is one from Lily Silk, and I previously used to sleep on a cotton pillowcase. I didn't think that it would make much of a difference to my hair, even though I heard everyone talking about sleeping on a silk pillowcase. I thought, my hair's fine, but when I started sleeping on a silk pillowcase, I did notice a difference. So let's have a little look at some of the differences between a cotton and a silk pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases are more rough in texture, which can cause friction on the hair and therefore create frizz, whereas silk pillowcases cause less friction. Your curls kind of just glide along them, and so they prevent frizz and breakage. Cotton pillowcases can be quite drying and suck the moisture out of the hair, whereas silk pillowcases keep our curls hydrated. So I absolutely love sleeping on a silk pillowcase, and not only is it great for my curls, but it just feels lovely as well. It feels luxurious and it's great for your skin too. I couldn't be without it now. And in fact, I actually do take a silk pillowcase with me whenever I stay away from home as well. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. And as well as sleeping on a silk pillowcase, there is one thing that I also cannot be without, and that is my silk eye mask. Now, I actually genuinely do sleep with an eye mask, and I have for a while, and this one from Lily Silk is really good because it's adjustable. So sometimes you get them and they're too big so they fall off your head, or they're too tight and it's uncomfortable at night. But this one is really great because it's got an adjustable strap and you can just adjust it to suit your hair's needs. Our heads all come in different shapes and sizes, so this is a really lovely one. You may have also noticed that I'm wearing one of the Lily Silk camisoles, which is lovely. This is actually the one with the built-in bra, so it's got some like padding here. But it's really, really lovely, and obviously you could wear this at night, you could wear this in the day as well. No one would know that you're wearing a pajama top. So there you go, that is my full bedtime routine. It really is that simple. I've been doing this routine for a while, and it really, really has made such a difference to how long my curls last between wash days. Whenever I can't be bothered to clip the front pieces separately and just do a regular pineapple bun, I always notice a difference. The front part of my hair always stretches out. So if you're finding that your hair stretches out overnight, definitely give that pineapple trick a go, and definitely try sleeping on a silk pillowcase too. All I will usually do in the morning when I wake up is take my hair out of the pineapple at the end of my shower, and I'll kind of just shake my hair out in the shower steam, and that kind of revives my curls, brings some of the definition back and adds a little bit more moisture into my hair. If you aren't a fan of steam for your hair, or your hair really doesn't get on well with steam, you could always do a simple refresh. There are so many different refresh techniques, and I will link my refresh techniques video above for you. And if you wanted to try any of the Lily Silk products, then you can use my code HANDS15 for 15% off. But I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. This is my full bedtime routine. It's all I do, and it really, really works for me, so I hope that it works for you too. If you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.